In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn for YouTube TV. Before we dive in, it's important to mention that using a VPN to access YouTube TV may violate YouTube's terms of service. This guide is strictly for educational purposes, so please use VPNs responsibly and always comply with all applicable laws and platform policies. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Nordvpn app on your device. Once you have it open, you have two options for connecting to a VPN server. You can use the Quick Connect feature, which automatically picks the best server for you. Alternatively, you can manually select a US-based server. I'll explain why this is important in a moment. If you're looking to access local stations like NBC or Fox, it's crucial to pick a server that's located in the same region as the stations you want to watch. For example, if you're interested in watching West Coast stations, you choose a server located in the United States, Los Angeles. This will ensure that your streaming experience is tailored to the region you're targeting. Once you've connected to a server, your IP address will appear to be US based. What this does is essentially trick YouTube TV into thinking that you're accessing the service from within the US, which is necessary for streaming content due to regional restrictions. Now, with your VPN connection established, head over to tv.youtube.com. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to sign in or create a new YouTube TV account. It's important to note that you will need a US payment method for creating your account or making any purchases associated with it. Once you are all set up and signed in, you should now be able to stream YouTube TV as if you're physically in the US. This means you'll have access to the full range of content that YouTube TV offers its US-based users, including live TV, sports, and on-demand programming. To maximize your experience, here are a few tips. Always ensure that your Nordvpn app is updated to the latest version for optimal performance and security. Additionally, if you encounter any issues with connection speed or availability, try switching to another US server, as sometimes networks can face congestion. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to use Nordvpn with YouTube TV. Just remember to use this knowledge responsibly and ensure that you're complying with all relevant service terms and local laws. Enjoy your streaming.